Okay, so just a really quick video on how to disassemble the tables. I didn't really see anything online, so took a little bit of care. So basically, it's actually much more straightforward than it looks. You got to pop out the back piece here, this one. So it just pops out. You can kind of see little holes here. Where is it? This one, another. There's two torque screws here, which are down here somewhere. There they are. So two Torx, one in each corner. And then there's those little plastic nuts. They just cover these here. And then basically this entire thing, just you can pry it out. See, there's nothing really holding it on. And then that's it. And then this is the bottom of the table. Looks pretty self-explanatory. There's a bunch of little torque screws here and here. And then, yeah, I can see some more stuff here. Yeah, it's actually surprisingly straightforward to disassemble. So yeah, so if you have tables, you want to take them apart, just pry it off very, very carefully, and then you'll have access to the underside. Nice and easy.